Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying ports and adapters on your PC and monitors so you avoid last-minute swaps. Once you have HDMI, DisplayPort, or adapters, power down and connect the second monitor to the graphics card port. Plug in power as well. Then power the PC and monitor together so both negotiate signal. Make sure the monitor input is set to the correct port. This first step gets the physical link established and lets software detect the new display automatically. Once the monitors are connected and powered, open display settings to let the system detect them. Click Detect if it doesn't appear. You then choose Extend to get extra desktop space or Duplicate to mirror. Arrange the virtual positions by dragging displays so cursor movement matches physical layout. Next, set each monitor's resolution, scaling, and refresh rate to match capabilities. This avoids blur or stutter. Also confirm orientation, and any GPU control panel overrides so performance and visuals are optimized. Finish by calibrating color and confirming audio output, then save your display profile in the OS or GPU software so settings persist. Try moving apps between screens and use keyboard shortcuts like Win+P to toggle modes quickly. If something goes wrong, power cycle the monitor and PC, receipt cables, switch the monitor input, and update GPU drivers. If still dead, test a different cable or port. This key troubleshooting tip, swap cables and update drivers, fixes most no.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.